Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some chicken thighs and I'm going to change up my barbecue sauce just a little bit. It's going to be more of a honey mustard barbecue sauce. So let's go ahead and get some things ready. I did base this off a recipe, but it's loosely based. Instead of using just a few pounds of chicken thighs, I'm just going to use the whole pack. The big family pack that you can get at the store. Alright, we'll sprinkle these with a little bit of seasoned salt and pepper. And if you've got some garlic powder, that would be good too. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle. I just needed something different than typical. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put this in the oven after I get the barbecue sauce on. We're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes. And then I made my own little mixture. To put on these. It's a honey mustard sauce that I made too much of actually. So we're just going to go ahead and put this in. 20 minutes. I'm going to put it in an oven, 400 degrees. Recipe calls for something more, but it will burn the sauce and I don't want it to do that. Anything will burn the sauce actually, but we're going to try to go a little bit lower and see how it goes. Alright, 400 for about 20 minutes and then bring it back out and then we'll take a look at it and then we'll put our next sauce on. Alright, so took it out. Gonna put some more sauce on it. Gonna put it back in for another 20. And then the last few minutes we're gonna put the honey mustard sauce on that I made an abundance of and wasn't supposed to, y'all. And that'll be it. It's just a different way to already do like that just boring piece of chicken. And I did put it on a cookie sheet or a baking sheet and I put a rack in it. That way that the grease can kind of drip down and it's not just sitting in grease. Alright, so back in the oven for about 15 more minutes and then I'll bring it back out and we'll do something else with it. Okay, y'all. So now I'm going to put this sauce that I made on top of this. It's a mixture of mayo, sour cream, yellow mustard. I did put a little bit of the barbecue sauce in here too, but you don't have to do that. What else did I put in here? It was barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, sour cream, and yellow mustard, and honey. My own memory out.
Saw you now. Dreams might turn into something real. Don't you give me that look, take a bow. Already know. Now you gotta go.
good saturated. All right, so you put this back in the oven for about another 15 minutes, and I'm hoping that my chicken will be done by then. Okay, I'll see you back here in a few. Okay, y'all, so this is finished product. I did do 2 layers of regular barbecue sauce underneath this mustard sauce, and you can baste some of the mustard sauce on top of this. I do have a little bit left. I plan on doing that. But it's done. It's ready to go. We're just going to serve this with green beans, but of course you could do it for your cookouts or anything like that as well. But this just proves that you can have barbecue any time of the year. Doesn't have to be in the summertime. Sometimes you just want some. But I had a pack of thighs in the freezer. It took a few condiments, and then I was able to make a different type of chicken. Okay, y'all, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.